Right now I'm at one of the biggest marathons here in Mexico. There's a lot of people that are here and they're cheering all the runners. I'm gonna sit here and eat my mangoes. I'm running with Martin and his dad. So this past Sunday I went to this marathon called Lala Marathon here in Torreon. And usually I walk around and show you what the place looks like. But today I just wanted to tell you a story about my experience at Lala Marathon. So I just wanted to sit down and, you know, talk like this and share my perspective about the marathon. Anyways, let me first share a little bit about the history of the marathon. The Lala Marathon is an annual long-distance running event that takes place in the city of Torreon and surrounding cities. The event is sponsored by Lala, a well-known Mexican dairy company, and has become one of the most prestigious marathons in Mexico. The event was first held in 1989, and over the years the event grew in popularity and became one of the most important long-distance running events in Mexico. Today, the Lala Marathon attracts thousands of runners from all over the world, including elite athletes and immature runners. In fact, Lala Marathon is not just a sporting event, but it has also become an important cultural and community event in Torreon and surrounding cities, including Gómez Palacio, Lardo, and others. The event promotes health and wellness and encourages a sense of community. This event has helped to put La Laguna on the map as a destination for long-distance running. So now you guys know a little bit about the history of Lala Marathon. One thing that I should mention is that for people that don't know, full marathon is about 42 kilometers or 26 miles. And it is a really big challenge for a lot of people, and it is actually in my bucket list to run my marathon because recently I ran my first 10K, which I'm really proud of because a few years ago I thought it was not possible to run, that I couldn't run long distance, but now I believe that I can run. Anyways, coming back to the Lala Marathon. So it began somewhere in Gómez Palacio, like around 6:30 in the morning. I did not go where the race began, but I was in Torreon, around the Bosque Carranza, which is the park, which is the end line of the marathon. And if you guys have seen my videos previously, you know that I walk around that park a lot and I run there a lot. And that's where I wanted to go, and I wanted to experience this marathon for myself. I wanted to see what the crowd looks like and what the energy is. That was the main reason why I wanted to go to this marathon. Right now I'm at one of the biggest marathons here in Mexico. I should mention that this is my first marathon. I have never been to an event like that before. So I started walking at the 38-kilometer mark, and I saw a lot of runners. They were running on the road, and then there were volunteers that were giving them water, Gatorade. Which was really cool, and there was a lot of people that were cheering them.
Duro muchachos, duro por ahí, compadre. Ahí vienen por ahí los grandes amigos por ahí de este lado. Ya vamos allá, compadre, nos falta poquito,
Vámonos. And sí se puede.
Se pudo. Sí se pudo.
Those are the two things that I heard. As I was walking, I came across these people. They were playing music.
Mis amigos, por ahí ya está cerquita la meta, mis amigos. Ahí están los amigos también por ahí. Seguridad pública para protegerlos, mis amigos, grandes amigos por ahí. Okay, los amigos por ahí que nos están viendo por ahí. Va mi Ponchito Indias, compadre.
There was a lot of people there. They were cheering. And there was police that was managing the traffic so that no car would come on the road where the runners are running. Yeah! Yeah!
And there's so much energy right now. I feel a lot of energy. I feel like I want to run 42 kilometers with these guys.
So as I got closer to the bosque, the park, I came across this runner club called the Bengalas. Bengalas is a runners club that is owned by Isabel and Danny.
¿Cómo estás, amigo? Good, man. How are you?
Danny has won 3 times and Isabel has won this Lala Marathon 2 times, which was really cool. So I stopped there and I had a conversation with Isabel and also with Danny, and I asked them, they had 54 runners that they trained who were running this marathon, and which was really cool to actually talk to real runners. And I'm really new to this community. Like, I love being around these people, you know, you get so motivated. I walked more and I saw a lot of people were cheering, and I felt so motivated because I saw so many old people running. They are the real champions of the race because, you know, they are trying to teach people like me that no matter what your age is, you can run, you can be strong. And honestly, I was so motivated to see that.
Hola.
Hola.
So I did a whole circle, and just around the turn, I saw this band. They were playing cumbia. They were playing really good music, and that just added up to the energy of the place, you know. It was really nice. And then I walked more, I saw people were selling food. And as I got closer to Bosque, you know, I saw the finish line. And over there, they had a whole like stage and an arena where a lot of people were sitting and cheering for runners who are coming to the end line. I started to realize how this event is such a big part of the culture here. You know, a lot of people were involved in this event, and that was really cool to see.
Vamos! Vamos!
Saludos cordiales para toda la ratita, para toda la gente que se patrocina. Lejos estaba de pensar que esta es mi penitencia. Cuánto tiempo he de llorar, cuesta cada la experiencia. Lejos estaba de pensar que un amor doliera tanto. Saludos, saludos a toda la banda.
Then anyways, I walked to the other side. Then I saw this person selling mangoes, and I bought some mangoes there.
Right over here, I'm gonna get some fruits right now.
Todos.
Okay, gracias. ¿Cuántos?
I'm gonna sit here and eat my mangoes. So which was really good. I sat down in a peaceful place for a little bit, took rest, and then after that I was ready to go. And then I followed this team of father and son.
I'm running with Martin and his dad.
Martin Sr. and Martin Jr., both of these guys. So it turns out Martin, the son, he was supporting his dad because his dad was running the marathon. That was the best thing that I have seen, a son and a dad running together, and that was such an amazing experience. Once he was done the race, you know, I got a chance to talk to him and I asked him how he felt.
Congratulations. ¿Cómo te sientes?
Bien.
Bien.
And he said he feels good. You know, I was so surprised that he didn't even look like he ran. He looked so fresh and strong. And he's 58 years old, can you imagine?
Wow. That's awesome. It's a winner.
And I was looking at the medal, I was just so happy. And I just cannot believe what Martin did.
He gifted me his medal that he won. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Quickly.
gave me his medal. He's like, here, take it, this is a gift for you. And I'm like, are you sure you want to give this to me? You just won this game, it's for you, you deserve it. And then he said, here, take this as a memory, because if you take this, you will not forget this marathon. And 100%, man, like when he gave it to me, I was so happy. I was like, wow, I was not expecting this.
This was the most memorable part for me, to get this medal by a runner.
A runner would give me his medal. I felt so honored. I felt so blessed, because someone who's older, someone who is 58 years old.
58 years old. Wow. And he ran in 3 hours and 19 minutes.
A full 42-kilometer race. He gave me his medal, and I took it as a blessing. You know, I took it as something that I need to hold on for the rest of my life. It gave me so much energy that I can grow old, that I can run, and I can pass on that good energy to this world. Look at this. I have this medal with me right here. This marathon was so important to me because I just went there and I became friends with a stranger, and that stranger gave me his medal, and it is such an honor for me to carry this medal because it gives me power, it gives me energy to live the life I want to live. And you know, besides all the energy, all the fun that Lala Marathon has, one thing that I want to mention is that Lala Marathon symbolizes strength, unity, love.
This event unites people. There's so many people here. People are still finishing the marathon right now.
It doesn't matter how old you are. You can run, you can be strong, you can live the life that you want to live.
It's a winner.
A few years ago, I thought that running is not possible. When you grow old, you become weak. I had all these stereotypes that was fed to me by the culture, by society. But after coming to this marathon, I'm starting to comprehend things differently. I gained new friendship, I gained new energy. This will stay with me forever as a reminder that I can achieve anything in life. It doesn't matter how old I am. As long as I'm willing to do work, as long as I'm willing to put in all my energy into what I believe in, I can achieve anything I want. In the end, I would say that I hope that one day I get to run Lala Marathon and be proud of myself as well, and get one of these medals for myself as well. Yeah, this was my experience here at Lala Marathon. What a great prestigious event it is. It changed the way that I think of myself. It gave me new friendship, and I'm so happy that I became part of this event. I hope you learned a little bit about Lala Marathon, and I hope I encouraged you to go to your first event, maybe to watch or to run. You decide what you need to do. Either way, if you go to one of these events, you will get God's energy. Alright, that's all for this video.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.
God's energy. Yeah.